Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Pika and this is Baker Affair. Today I'm making something incredibly special, individual peach and white chocolate pastry cups. Since I'm making my own preserves and baking the pastry, it takes a little more time, but the results are absolutely worth it. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so now I have 3 ounces of cream cheese that it's softened, room softened, and I have to mix it. So come on down. And now that I have that all mixed up, the whipped cream, the cream cheese, now I'm going to add the white chocolate very slowly. I melted it and then I cooled it off, and I'm going to add this slowly. I do not have a microwave. I just did it in a little pot. I didn't even use the double boiler method. I just stuck it in a pot and waited for it to melt. So come on back down. Okay, so now I have the white chocolate incorporated. I mixed it in. Now I'm going to fold whipped cream in, now that the non-dairy whipped topping is incorporated into the cream cheese and the white chocolate, I'm going to add a few of these little caramel bits. They're delicious. And then I'm going to put them into these lovely little pastry cups. So come and watch. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of this mixture into the cup. I'm going to sprinkle a couple of these in there. Well, 3. Little peach preserves.
And in case you want to know how I make my peach preserves, this is how I do it. 1 cup of fresh ripe peaches, diced small, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and a splash of water. Turn the burner on to medium-low heat, give it a good stir, put the lid on, and a few times take a fork and smush them around. When they're done, they're going to look like this, and then take them out, put them in the bowl, and put them on the side to let cool.
Then I'm going to add more of this. So, how does it taste? Let me see. That is delicious. I hope you give it a try. Let me know your thoughts on it. Do you have any ideas for any other small batches or for 2? Let me know below. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share if you wish, and until next Wednesday, ciao.